little scissors I can use to just cut this open. There's something in here which won't let me like open the door. But yeah, I'm gonna get
it's going to take you a while to do that.
I could use some help, James.
Go help your brother.
So you're present too. I can't use your scissors.
Yeah, use mom's sewing scissors.
There is a different one in the drawer, LJ. I'm not letting you touch my scissors. Those are my special ones. Yeah, there's a good reason why that's the only good one, because they take care of it. Oh, you can add on to your thing? Like on top of your gold?
Yeah.
What? How do you do that?
You add the card and then change the balance.
How do you do that? Last time I added and then I didn't change the balance.
Here you go, here's some scissors. Here's the scissors. Okay. What are helpful?
More boxes in them. That's a good thing because the box outside is messed up.
So how do I transfer?
Crystal?
Yeah, finally. What is it?
I don't know. What is it?
Can't get a glimpse. Yes. Table or something.
The table.
Got table out of it now so far, huh?
It's a dining room table, so you can serve your parents your dinners.
For tea parties and stick it right too.
Have your girlfriends over and have tea party.
Oh. I don't have any girlfriends.
You don't?
I thought you had one. She
Maddie
wrote you
did,
a
but-
nice note.
This is really hard to read.
Yes. You need to help her with her penmanship in English. Oh.
Losing your patience yet?
Okay, I did the same. Whatever someday, hope for you, okay? It make me sense.
Probably just looking straight up. Figure out what it is yet, LJ?
Yeah.
What?
Hockey table? Air hockey?
Wow.
Might be legs in there somewhere though.
Yeah, I'm sure there is. Yeah, that's perfect. I feel like you like boxes and boxes, so.
Hey, Amelia.
Yeah,
Where do you work now?
same place.
So you have vacation time? You want to travel somewhere?
I get 2 weeks vacation, but not until June. I gotta
There we
do
go.
stuff. Why, where do you go?
I don't know. Maybe Disneyland? Or Alaska? I don't know if we can make it to Hawaii because the $20 don't go up.
I love Hawaii. We're going to Hawaii next September. So
This
if
coming
you want to
month?
go somewhere else,
Costa Rica. Tons of flights opening.
I can go on
Are there now?
Kidding.
We can do that.
not fun with my teacher, which I plan to work out here.
Costa Rica is a reasonable place to visit.
The passport.
We do have a passport. What's wrong with you on a passport?
Okay, there you go.
Did you already applied?
No, not yet.
Well, then that's why. That's why I didn't get one. But how did you go?
Well, I have to get another paper before I can get the passport.